Hello, my name is Birgit Sommer, Director of the Rainbow Wildlife Rescue located in Stephenville, Texas. I am a wildlife rehabilitator licensed by the state of Texas and would like to share with you all that's involved in wildlife rehabilitation. A wildlife rehabilitator is a person licensed by their state to take in orphaned and injured wildlife for the general public as required by the state. Orphaned baby animals will be raised properly and injured or ill critters are rehabilitated. Your main responsibility is to the animals you are caring for. The goal is to get these animals back into the wild where they are supposed to be and want to be. That's what it is all about, the animals remaining wild. Wanting them to be pets is not what they want. Working with wildlife is very different from working with domesticated pets. Where it is okay to hold an orphan kitten or puppy to comfort it when it's missing its mother, it's not okay to hold a cottontail rabbit, for example, because it can die of fear in an instant. Keeping handling and human exposure to a minimum is vital for the animal's survival in the wild later on. We receive calls from people like you who came across an animal that appeared to be in need of human intervention. We often receive animals from the local animal control agencies, game wardens, businesses, police departments, sheriff offices, veterinary clinics, and animal shelters. Animals end up with a wildlife rehabilitator for various reasons. It can be a baby squirrel that fell out of a nest, usually after a storm, and found by school kids. A songbird that flew into a window and has a concussion and needs a safe place to recover. An opossum mother hit by a car with living babies in the pouch that caring individuals saved and brought to us. A baby raccoon sitting next to its dead mother on the side of the road crying. The litter of cottontail rabbits whose mother fell victim to a lawnmower. Or a wild animal hurt by our dogs and cats. The stories are endless. In the case of infant critters, where a reunion with a mother has been ruled out, they will be raised, taught how to relate to others of their species, given a chance to develop their survival skills, know what their predators are, and how to find food and shelter before they will be released back into the wild. Even though wildlife rehabilitators have to go through training and study as much as possible, they are not veterinarians and have to seek professional medical assistance in case of an injured animal, such as an owl with a broken wing, or a deer that was hit by a car with a leg fracture, a raccoon caught by a dog covered in bite wounds, a squirrel with BB gun pellets in its back. Again, the stories are endless. Unfortunately, not every vet clinic is willing or capable of assisting wildlife rehabilitators with these animals for various reasons. And if the injuries are too severe, the only option left is to euthanize the animal to shorten their suffering. If the injuries are not life-threatening, we triage the animal, provide everything that goes along with healing the wounds, and providing the proper care, nutrition, and housing until the animal is ready to be returned to the wild. Another important part of being a wildlife rehabilitator is dealing with the public. Once spring starts and the first animals of the season, usually squirrels, are being born, the calls are coming in about pink hairless babies found on the ground. There are a lot of caring folks out there that go the extra mile to help out that infant and take it to a licensed wildlife rehabilitator or wildlife facility. A lot of people attempt to care for these animals on their own and only call us when they see that their approach didn't work. Sadly, at this point, it is often too late for us to help. Many folks proudly explain all the things they have done wrong, believing they did everything right, which doesn't make it necessarily easy to educate them without coming across as criticizing. Busting old wives' tales takes a lot of our time, but it's why I'm here now.